Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I wanted to show you some updates on some of these Costco sale items that we initially told you about. So we uploaded that video 2 weeks ago talking about the upcoming Costco ad cycle deals that were supposed to start on March 10th. And then, of course, on March 10th, we went in there and we found some more sale items in the technology and security and also in the hardware and tools area. And so I wanted to show you some of them now. Okay, so here is the Ring Doorbell 2, and they still have some left over. These were actually discontinued last year, and they have a newer Ring Doorbell Pro out now. That's actually on back order, should be shipping by the end of March. I don't know when Costco will get it, but here you can see that they were charging $99 for the Ring Doorbell 2. This is what I paid for it. And I always tell people, look, if it's not on sale now, wait a month and maybe it comes in on the next ad cycle. This price keeps oscillating back and forth between $149 all the way down to $99. So don't be a fool and walk in there and ever pay full price for this ring. Just wait for it to come on the ad cycle. In a typical Costco fashion, when you buy the Ring Doorbell 2 kit at Costco, you're getting in also the free ring chime. You don't get that when you buy it at other stores. This seems to be Security Month, folks, because right next to the Ring Doorbell there at Costco, they have the Arlo wired video doorbell. And so this is a direct competitor to them. And theirs is currently on sale, $40 off from $129.99 down to $89.99. And this also comes with 1 free year of the Arlo Smart Service. And by the way, same thing with Ring. Whenever you buy these at Costco, they usually give you your first year of Ring online, the storage and everything for free. So that saves you about $100 over the other stores as well. Now you have to pay attention to these sale signs because the Arlo deal ends next week on March 21st, but the Ring deal ends at the end of the normal cycle on April 4th. Okay, now here's where things really start to get interesting, folks, because here you got this 4-camera system. This is called the Arlo Ultra 2. And I have friends that use similar to this from Arlo that they swear by it. They like it, so it's just as good as Ring. But check out the price on this. This is a $900 system that they've taken off $200 here. So you're looking at $700 on sale right now. And just like I showed you a few seconds ago with that Arlo wired doorbell, this particular Arlo Ultra 2 system deal will expire next week on March 21st. It does not run the full length of the ad cycle. So you got to be wary of things like that when you're shopping around there at Costco and you see stuff on sale. They don't always end on the same time. Sometimes they have staggered ending dates throughout the month. And here's yet another Arlo system. This one's wireless. It's called the Pro 3. So it's a 3-camera wireless security system. And as you can see here on the sign, they've taken off a whopping $150 from $500 all the way down to $350. Now, there is something puzzling about the price on this Arlo Pro 3 system, and that is that it ends on May 2nd, I believe, which is different from all of the other ones. I don't know why this one's running for so much longer. Now, in some of the extra tool deals that we found here, we got this Lasco Super Fan Max. This is a 700 plus CFM fan. This is great for blowing across a floor. So whenever you have a leak or a big spill or something, these help evaporate the water off the floor. And as you can see here, Costco is selling this particular Lasco fan tool for $59.99, and that's a really good price because usually over at Home Depot you'll find very similar fans like this in the $80 range or even higher. And folks, I gotta tell you, I am still miffed that Costco has not yet dropped the price on this awesome DeWalt socket set. The price is already pretty good, mind you, even at $99. But a year ago on Black Friday they had lowered it at least to $69.99. And on Father's Day, during the Father's Day sale in 2019, they had some of these clearanced out of there for $49.99. So So that was a really good price. And then here, of course, the other little miniature socket set next to it is still at $29.99. These are the same prices that they've been at since they first hit the shelves last June, and they haven't sold too many of them. So I'm still hoping and praying, folks, that they drop the price on these soon. Now, everybody is always asking me about this thing. Has the price dropped yet? Has the price dropped yet? You know, and we're just, every time I go in, I check. So if it drops, you will be the first to know about it. And then here's another one of my all-time favorite Costco deals, because you so rarely find the blue painter's tape at Costco. I think the last time I saw it there was 10 years, and I've been looking and looking for it every single time I go in shopping. I always check. So they finally have it back now, folks. This is your chance to score a real good deal here. This is a 5-pack of this blue painter's tape. Now these are 1 inch by 45 yards. I usually prefer to get like the 2 or 3 inch wider tape, but this is still a pretty good deal, because if you were to go to Home Depot, a single roll of 1 inch tape is $6 over there at Home Depot, even though they give you at Home Depot, I believe, 60 yards compared to the 45 yards here at Costco. Okay, now these are those awesome Wayland racks. They finally had some, they moved them down onto the floor so we could see them better, because they were up higher on the storage racks before. But these are $159, marked down 20 to $139, and that's a typical sales price for them. But you better jump on this, because this one ends on March 17th. So this had already been on sale, not on their normal ad cycle like you see on those flyers that they mail you. There's usually a lot of items in the store that have a sale price, but yet it's just not in the flyer. And this was one of them. So if you're finding this video useful so far, hey, would you do us a favor, please? Give us a thumbs up down below. That tells us that you like us. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, folks, all I can say is, why haven't you? You can see all of the great world-class videos that we've uploaded for you. We cover all sorts of remodeling projects around your house. We cover kitchen remodeling, and as you saw here, the microwave install, kitchen cabinet installations. We cover all sorts of bathroom remodeling. We cover tiling floors around your house. And we also cover, laminate flooring. And we also cover all sorts of engineering disasters, and you can see all of the tool review videos that we do for you. And we do drop testing as well on them. And then we're also very well known for our Shop With Me's in the big box hardware stores, finding you the best tool deals out there. So make sure you click on that subscribe button down below, because after all, it's free, folks. And when you do that, make sure you click that little gray bell icon next to it. That tells YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a video, because you've seen our videos. You know you don't want to miss one of ours. They're very nice. So thank you so much for tuning in with us this week, folks, and we will see you on the next one.